Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that essentially broadens the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital currencies like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers brilliant agreements and dispersed applications dApps to be fabricated and worked with no free time, misrepresentation, control, or obstruction from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential development lies in its utilization of brilliant agreements. Brilliant agreements are self-executing contracts with the conditions of the arrangement straightforwardly composed into lines of code. These agreements naturally uphold and execute the particulars of the understanding in light of predefined rules, without the requirement for delegates. This capacity has opened up a huge range of utilizations, from the production of decentralized finance DeFi stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for conventional monetary go-betweens, to the formation of decentralized independent associations DAOs that work in view of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified administration. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where designers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, hence empowering the formation of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language robustness, which permits engineers to compose shrewd agreements and send them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its digital currency, as well as in its colossal applications empowered by brilliant agreements. A stage has prepared for another period of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network the executives, and then some, testing conventional models of control and offering another worldview of disseminated agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unstable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall emphatically in an extremely brief time frame. A few elements add to this unpredictability, making it both an intriguing and dangerous speculation. First and foremost, market feeling assumes a tremendous part. Reports, web-based entertainment posts, and public proclamations by persuasive individuals can influence individuals' discernments decidedly or adversely, prompting quick cost changes. For example, on the off chance that a notable business person tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals race to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis likewise adds to the instability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This speculative exchanging can prompt quick cost swings as financial backers respond to transient open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of hearsay. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it very well may be traded at a steady cost, likewise influences its unpredictability. Contrasted with conventional business sectors like stocks or land, the digital money market is less fluid. Importance, even little exchanges can hugely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt emotional cost developments as dealers endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Also, administrative news can cause huge cost developments. At the point when an administration declares new guidelines or boycotts concerning cryptographic forms of money, it can prompt vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost plunge as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's ease of use and acknowledgement. In conclusion, the innovation and improvement of Ethereum itself can impact its cost. Refreshes, new highlights, or massive changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost changes. Financial backers could respond decidedly to redesigns that work on the stage's productivity, security, or versatility, prompting cost increments. On the other hand, postponements or issues with updates can prompt reductions in cost. Verifiable forecasts. Sh312Z4. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2.22 to $94.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $386.04, so the cost expanded by 48% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,211, and the year-to-year change plus 171%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 83%. In 2024, we hope to see $581 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,622. In the final part, the cost would lose $760 and close the year at $6,862, which is plus 103% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum Forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $6,862 to $10,067, which is up 47%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $6,862, then dip to $6,796 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $6,989. That implies plus 106% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $10,067 to $14,328, which is plus 42%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $10,067, then at that point take off to $10,671 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $11,271. It is about plus 233% from today. Satu 152 Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,782.29, so the cost expanded by 21% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $5,934, and a year-to-year change plus 159%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 113%. In 2024, we hope to see $4,695 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $6,547. In the last part, the cost would lose $9,975 and close the year at $5,572, which is plus 100% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $5,572 to $8,626, which is up 55%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $5,572, then at that point take off to $5,760 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $6,624. That implies plus 138% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $8,626 to $11,559, which is plus 34%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $8,626, then take off to $9,144 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $9,658. It is about plus 247% from today. Satoshi 1204. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,269.98. So the cost diminished by 1% from the very start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3,900.